So hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the programming question of TCS Digital Exam.
So the question is, John likes to play with number blocks. So he has arranged those blocks in the series, that is 1, 2, 3 and up to n. His sister named Mary stole one number block from that series. Write a program to help John in finding the number block from the series. So let's know what is the input format. So first input will be a single value and which represents the length of an array, like the number of elements, the number of block that the John have. So n will represent the number of block that John have. The second input will accept n minus 1 elements represent an array of integer from 1 to n sorted in ascending order. So here the second input will be the number of elements of an array, which the array length should be n minus 1 because one block is stolen by his sister named Mary. So the array should have n minus 1 elements. Explain you in simple words, like John have number of blocks 1, 2, 3, let's say up to 5, and from these 5 blocks Mary has stole one block, that is 3. So now we have to tell that what number of block the Mary has stole. Okay, and the block should be start with the number 1. So the here is input 1, 4, the value size of an array. The number 4 is actually representing the number of blocks that the John have. The John have 4 blocks, and we will enter the array elements like 1, 2 and 4. So in this array elements we are actually missing the number 3. So our output will be 3, that number 3 block have been stolen by his sister Mary. So this is the input 2k. The size of array will be 4. So which the 4 will actually represents the number of blocks that the John have, and from these 4 blocks one block has been stolen by his sister. So the first element is 2, 3. So in this case the first element should be 1, but here the first element is 2. So we will print output as wrong input. So I hope you have understand the question. Let's read once, check the question with your understanding. So we have seen the question, we have seen the inputs. Now let's move to the solution part, the steps to make a program. After that I will show you the actual program of this question. So first we have to take the number n, means the number of blocks that the John have, and we will declare an array of length n minus 1 because one block is stolen by his sister Mary. So we will declare an array of length n minus 1, and we will take the elements as an input, and we will store all the elements in the array. So after getting all the elements in the array, we will sort the array. Okay, after sorting the array, we will iterate the array elements and check what number is missing from that array. So if we found the missing number from that array, we will break the loop. So if first element is not equal to 1, so this is the most important case. If the input element means the first element of the array is not equals to 1, then we will print that the wrong input. But if the first element is 1, then we will check the missing number from the array. So these are all the steps to make a program. Whatever the language you will use, it's your choice. Now let's move to the coding section. So this is the coding. I already made a program for this, and now I will explain you this program. So this line actually will take the input from the user and will store in variable n the number of blocks that the John have n blocks, and from these n blocks one block has been stored by system array. So then now the rest of the blocks that left will be n minus 1. So for these n minus 1 blocks we will declare an array a, and these two variables we will use later in our program. And so after declaring the array of length n minus 1, we will take the elements as an input. What are the rest block that the John have? So we will take all the blocks, means the array elements, and we will store here with the help of for loop. Now we have an array of some elements, so we will sort the array with this line arrays dot sort a. So we have sorted array here. Now after this line we will apply the for each loop for iterating each element of this array, sorted array. So here we take each element from array a to value I. So if my value I is not equals to c, which the value of the c will increase on each iteration. Like on first iteration the value of the c will be 1, on second iteration the value of the c will be 2, on third iteration the value of the c will be 3. So according to the iteration the value of the c will increase, and the value of I will actually increase because the number of elements array will change on each iteration. So we will check if array I is equals to c or not. If it not equals to c, then we will store our c variable in m variable, which actually was declared above with value 1. And if we found the missing value, then we will break the loop. Now if all the elements are according to the block, then the missing number will be the last element of the array. So we will increase the 1 in c value and will store in m variable. So here is the output part. So first we will check whether the first element will be 1 or not. If the first element will not 1, then we will print wrong input. If the first element is 1, then we will print actually the missing value. So run the code. This is asking for the input. So let's say the John have number of blocks 4, and from these 4 blocks, one block he have, second block he have, and the fourth block he have. Now the missing block is 3, so our output will be 3. So this is actually passing the test case. Now let's run for the second test case. So John have 4 blocks, and 2 is the first element, 4 is the second element, and third element is 3. Third element is actually 5. So now this is the wrong input because first element should be equals to 1. If first element is not 1, then we have to print the wrong input. Now let's test for the third case. So let's say John so let's say John have the 4 blocks, and first block he have, second block he have, third block he have. Now from this 4 block, the missing block is 4 actually. So the output is 4. Actually he is missing the fourth block.
So now I hope you all have understood the structure of the program.
So actually see this is the program. Thank you.